Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be playing the Chaos 3 mode of in Jurassic World Evolution 2 of returning to Isla Nublar. So this might be a 2-3 part thing of rebuilding it, but yeah, hopefully it goes well. But I'm going to fast forward the stupid mission brief because I don't care for what the stupid people have to say.
They talked me into coming back to the island.
But,
Okay,
yeah,
maybe it was a court order, but the end result is the same.
you know, if anybody knows how to mute these stupid characters, please tell me. Yeah. So yeah, we'll be returning and rebuilding. So yeah, I think this is the hardest one, which is not very good in my favour. Because knowing me, I'll probably mess up and then we'll have to restart all over again.
The dinosaurs, they're still here?
But yeah, I think we can do this together. I think we'll be able to rebuild. I do love the Jurassic movies. I do think they're really good.
Yes, we're
But
one big
yeah, comment down below what
family.
your favourite Jurassic movie is. I think, look, this may be controversial, but my favourite would probably have to be Jurassic Park 3. I don't know why, but I prefer Isla Sorna over Isla Nublar.
The dinosaurs are our responsibility,
But,
like it or not.
yeah, let me know what your favourite movie is. I know the original one is my second favourite, just because it's like the original. Because not much can be original, but it's only my personal taste with Jurassic Park 3. Because Jurassic Park 3 does have all my favourite dinosaurs in it, so I can't really not go with it. God, are these kids done talking?
So might as well get to it.
Oh look, there's some
No time like the
brackies.
present when it comes to the past, eh?
You know, it kind of looks like my parks when I finish them, and then I just start destroying
Couldn't have said
everything.
it better myself. Let's
That's what I
start by
like to
setting
do.
up a base of operations.
Sometimes I build parks, like Jurassic World, and then I just let all the dinosaurs roam through and kill everyone. Bit morbid, but oh my god, are you we're like 3 minutes into recording, and I know that's not long, but still it's taken that long. I'm just shuffle. You know, I don't know why they do this. I don't like how we have to delete everything. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, I don't know why we have to delete everything. Like, can't I just repair it?
To be gone. Like we were never
It doesn't
here.
give you any money.
Amenities,
it takes away
attractions,
money.
emergency shelters, restrooms. Take them all down. We are leaving only memories.
Like,
hopefully the good ones.
Hard enough to build a proper main street. Comment down below if you don't like how you have to delete everything. Oh, so we have to delete little rocks at the front too, huh? Ridiculous. Oh, we also have to delete some path. Look, I've beaten this before, but still. Like, at least give me the path. God, this is taking forever. I'm gonna have to slow down the speed, otherwise my game's gonna crash. You know what? Might as well. Why do they do this? Like, can't you just use... Oh my god. This is literally making my game crash. Oh well. You know, deal with it. Can't I just... Yeah, I'm being stupid. Just turn everything off except from stupid path. There we go. Like die path, die. Except when you don't want the path to go. You want it to stay. Did it. There. You know, I have to make a paleo medical facility and a ranger team. So let's go into there. Oh, so I have to build it in a certain box area now, do I? I don't remember this being like this before. Move out the way. This is mean. This is mean and annoying. Move out the way, you stupid brachios. Look, I love you, but I don't right now. God, now I have to place it somewhere. Oh. Why can't, you know what? I'm just gonna speed up time. Move out the way. How am I gaining money? I haven't even done anything. I'm useless. Okay, so like, I think the paleo medical facility is just gonna become part of Main Street. It's not my fault, guys. It's the Brachiosaurus's fault. In this series, well, not series, it's not a series, but whilst I'm doing this, I'm probably gonna be trying to recreate Isla Nublar, knowing me. Except for I don't think you can get all that stuff, but just hurry. I hate this. In the real game, you don't have the construction thing anymore, but in the Chaos, they haven't fixed it in the Chaos Theory modes. So like, why can't they fix that too? It takes so much time. Oh, so now there are 3 brachios to cause me trouble. Unless I just didn't realise.
We want to reduce our footprint, not increase it. So it's better to repair
I remember
buildings
this
than
now. There's
construct
nearly
new ones.
30 minutes. There's me driving around trying to fix everything because I have to be perfect. This bit honestly frustrates me because it makes my game like lag. And plus they don't show you the assigned targets. They just show you how to like place. I know where the power stations are. Maybe. I might. It's not my fault. Okay guys, it's not my fault. I'm the best driver ever, actually. You know, I'll probably run into some Allosauruses because I know that happens. Just be driving along. Oh, look there's a just casually driving. Oh, there is a Allosaurus over there, and I'll die. Why can't this game just go easy on me? Yeah, I think the power stations and the science center are quite close to each other, except for I don't know where they are. And I'm not going to get distracted and start fixing fences. They can be fixed later. That's a gate, not a fence, Alfie. Fixing things so bad at this. When I see something that needs to be fixed, I just have to don't fix the toilet. No one even comes to this park anymore. Don't need to fix the toilets. Yes, the power station's there. And I think just up the road from that, yeah, just up the path from there is the, no one fixed another gate. It's so bad. It's not like it's doing any harm. I'm earning more money, so. Yeah, I don't know how I'm earning money. Or am I not? I'm just... The money is like... No, don't crash, don't crash. The money's just like random... Oh. The money's just, you know, randomly going up. Well, now it's going down, but... Before it went up. Because I swear we had like 9,000. And now I've got 10. You know, I don't think that's not 9,000. I'm just being dumb at the moment. My gosh, that actually fixed. Oh, spoke too soon. Oh, what? There's one at the back. Don't tell me they're all doubled at the back. They're all doubled at the back, aren't they? Ugh, great. You know what? They can be fixed later. I honestly don't know what I'm doing right now. I feel like for 13 minutes I've done nothing. But really like 5 minutes of that was stupid mission brief, but I'm just casually sitting around. Move out the way, banana plant. The annoying thing is that you can't actually get out the vehicle. Like, the ranger station has power, so why can't they do it? Anyways, let's go to repair this stupid science center. Why is my game lagging again? I mean, it's been lagging the whole time, but it's not how it usually. I'm surprised that there are some. I honestly wonder how they do this. How comes there? I know you can place down palm trees and trees, but like, didn't realize you could get that many palm trees next to all the trees, because they usually just all delete. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, but you know what? I should stop talking. Whoa, we're flying now. No, it's not okay. It's not okay. It's not. It's okay, I did it. Oh no, all the small power stations are done. Now I'm just gonna lay on my side until this thing gets complete. You know, I honestly wonder how these things got so damaged, because like dinosaurs can't do only storms can. And it's not a like remake of Isla, is it now? No hurricanes. Or Jurassic Park, but you know, that is actually quite funny. The same thing happened to Jurassic Park and Isla Sauna. I didn't actually realise that now. Hey, are you both repaired now? Finally, can I get out of this wretched car? No, I can't.
Everything went south, animals
Let
scattered
me
in
guess,
all
I have to go
directions.
find
They're now most
dinosaurs.
likely concentrated in areas of the island that remind them of natural habitats. So we need
Yep.
to start thinking like they do. That's where we'll find
Brachiosaurus
our
and
dinosaurs.
Kylosaurus. See, I told you about Allosaurus. Stupid. Me and Sticky Mollet have history. Now you guys don't know. But every single time I play this and I do this Chaos Theory mode, it will be oh, there's one dinosaur left. Guess what it is? It's one stupid Sticky Mollet I missed. So I like Sticky Mollet because Sticky Mollet was like the best thing in Fallen Kingdom. Not my favourite. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest, I think Fallen Kingdom is the worst Jurassic movie. Worst. Because look, my two least favourite Jurassic movies are Jurassic World and Fallen Kingdom. Probably because they're pirates. And I don't really, I liked it when they were all just normal dinosaurs. Like, why do they have to be pirates? It didn't bring any more. Look, I loved the Raptor and Indominus Rex, but like kind of just ruined it all. If you know what I mean. Because I wish like Spinosaurus came back or something, or we could have had like a Super Minus or Acrocanthosaurus, like a big carnivore that's actually real. Oh look, we turn up to one of my favourite dinosaurs. Yeah, my favourite dinosaur is a Ankylosaurus and a Parasaurolophus. Don't ask me why, I love both of them. And not because Ankylosauruses kind of look like a turtle or a tortoise. They don't, well they do, but they don't. Go with. Oh, I forgot to use stupid for not Somerset. Not binoculars. Hold on, wait, let me get this right. Okay. I'm doing it. Okay, I think I did it. Did I do it? I don't know if I did it. Oh, I have to hold it down, don't I? Check. I did it. Stay in your enclosure. Oh, you only have to do one of them. Oh, that's new. Why wasn't it like that before? Here we go. Oh, so now I'm losing money. That's not good. So yeah. Now I need to go and find I need to go find. Don't crash. You know what? Why didn't I just go the way I came? Why am I repairing the stupid fence? Shouldn't have done that. Could have gone through. No, there's a fence that needs repairing. Ahead. I can straight through there. If I stop bouncing. Okay, I'm here to escape. And then we're gonna go find. You know, it's probably gonna. You know, this first episode might even just be an hour with me non-stop talking and suffering. Great. I wonder what happens when you break your vehicle, like, and you have none left. Do I just get to, like, zoom out? Anyways, we're going into that next enclosure over there because I know there's stuff in there. It's probably, I think it's the Allosauruses. Because the Brachiosauruses are on Main Street. Yeah, the Brachiosauruses are on Main Street. And now I'm going to stop repairing stuff because I'm going to waste all my money. Maybe this is the sticky one. But I know this is the Allosaurus because the stickies are near the T-Rex enclosure. Yeah, now I remember. Yeah, this is the Allosaurus one. The last time I had a problem with Allosauruses too because one of them walked off. And they were just, yeah, one of them walked. Because you had to like scan all of them. One of them just like walked off. And yeah, I had to go and find him. Don't risk. I want to go to Can I do it on the floor? Can I just do the status check on the floor? No, because I'm upside down and I'm flipping everywhere. Ah! Why? Stop flipping. No. Nope, more flipping. Just stop flipping me. Right, can I do it? Yes, I can do it. Yes.
Check complete.
We did it. Whoa, what's happening? Stop putting me on that outside. Oh my god, what is happening? Okay, right, let me quickly fix this. Right there. Now let's go find some stupid sticky models. Now let's go find some sticky models, and then we'll go find the Brachies, which are the easiest. Yeah, Ankylosaurus, you know. Also, what made me love Ankylosauruses even more is Bumpy. Bumpy is like the best Ankylosaurus ever. Do you agree with me? Comment Bumpy down below. Because she's just the best. I'm annoyed that Camp Cretaceous won't carry on. But the good thing is they might release a new DreamWorks Jurassic movie, which they will, because I think they've said that they will. Netflix said that they are. Yeah, which will be good. Now I'm just gonna do some flips. Please don't make me do flips. I'm not gonna do some flips. That's good. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, I do think. Yeah, I'm quite sad that we don't get to see Bumpy again, really. But that's okay, because we'll just get a new one, and then I'm gonna fall in love with another dinosaur. How funny would that be if it's a baby Parasaurolophus? Like, Netflix is just feeding me with my favorite dinosaurs and babies. Doesn't that suck? I have a cute baby. Imagine having a cute little baby Parasaurolophus lux, and then it just grows up. And you get to, oh no, but you get to ride it then. Except for I don't really know how you can ride a Parasaurolophus. You know what? Yeah, like I said, I talk too much. Okay, I think we're at the right spot. This better be the right closure. Otherwise I have to find myself. I have to get out of it. Yes, it's the right closure for sticky monarchs. Right. Stickies, we are gonna have some issues now, aren't we? I do hate how small we are. Look at how small he is. I'm not gonna do that though, because I'm already zooming fast. You know what? I'm gonna do you. Maybe. If I can stop zooming, that would be great, but... Come on, there. I almost did it. Yes, I did it!
Asset has been
Haha, sucks to be you stickies. Oh my god, it's gonna see the stupid glitch again. That went. Okay. Now let's go to Main Street. Hopefully the brackies haven't decided to move too much, because that would suck. Make sure to go onto my community tab, and you can vote to see what, like I may have already said, don't know if I have. I talk a lot, yeah, may have already said. Yeah, go to the community tab and check out my post and vote for what Jurassic movie you would like to see me recreate. You can pick anyone except for Fallen Kingdom, which I don't think you should be too bad about since there's not much to recreate. Yeah, the reason why I did put Fallen Kingdom on there is because all there really is in Fallen Kingdom is isla nublar erupting, which can't really build that, and the tropical paradise island, which was a lie. So yeah. For Dominion, I'm probably gonna create just like the Bios Sanctuary. Jurassic World will be, well, this. Jurassic Park will be Jurassic Park. Jurassic Park 3 will be like all of, I'm just gonna recreate most of the scenes for Jurassic Park 3 and Lost World. Yeah, but yeah, well, yeah, I think right now it's a tie between Jurassic Park 3 and, no, not Jurassic Park 3, the Bios Sanctuary and Jurassic Park. So yeah, if you want, you can go vote now, and yeah, see who wins. But yeah, now, yeah, the brachios are closed anyway, so that's fine. Easier for me. I didn't imagine if they just move and I drive past them, but I don't even realise that's what I'm going to do. But yeah. Now we'll just go to our horrible Main Street. I hate this Main Street. Made me delete all the buildings. I could have just went and repaired them because I love repairing things. Yes, there's one right there. Wait, you're not kicking in a vehicle, are you? Oh no, I forgot there's only one. No, there's two, isn't there? Don't kick it. I hear destruction, which worries me. Don't destroy it, you. Yeah, This is my Brachiosaurus. Is my third favorite dinosaur. Don't kick me! Don't kick me! Don't kick me! Don't kick me! It's kicking me, isn't it? Yeah. Come on. Just scan. Yes, I did it.
Confirming asset status.
You know, it's gonna be like an hour-long episode. So yeah. See what's happens if you're
Owen,
well, even
we're
up
ready
till
to
here.
start checking on the
Thank
welfare
you.
of the dinosaurs.
Means a lot to me. Oh, great. Just, you know. I think there is the rest of the park. Oh no, okay, so why'd you do this to me,
Copy that. We've
Ankylosaurus?
located some Brachiosauruses,
Why?
but we'll need an enclosure.
We we could have been friends. Like, Trim. Okay, right, well, first I want my Ankylosauruses to stay in their enclosure. So I'm just gonna get a ranger team to go and fix their enclosure. And yeah. Yeah, so let me just, yeah, so all the task slots are full, but there's only one way they can get out, and they're not really going over there. And I can just tranquilize them, but I think we put the Brachiosauruses in this little one. So I'm gonna get my second one. To come and start repairing all of this. I'm gonna speed stuff up, because honestly it's boring watching all of this stuff. Imagine if the Brachiosauruses just started to walk in here. Like, how much easier would have that been? So yeah, I'm gonna keep on. We'll repair this for the Brachios. Right, I'm gonna start. I'm also gonna repair the viewing galleries, just because I know that's gonna be like a task later on. So yeah, once the ranger team is started, right? You know what? Don't even care if there's a dinosaur threat. It's probably a brachio anyways. So yeah. Okay, right. Now let's go and get the ACU team. I'll refuel the but let's get the brachios tranquilized. Where's the third one? Where did the third one go? Oh, the third one's there. Okay. Why are there four that are like... Right. There's one there. They're just running around in their enclosure, except when they've just darted out of their enclosure. Because they're probably hungry. Screw you, Allosauruses. Why is that thing still broken? I literally sent the... Oh, it's in that enclosure. Well, I don't care. Why are you returning to the... Oh no. It's going to repair the gate. Right, I need to I need to start. I'm gonna resupply fuel. If it would let me. Right, let me fill. Yeah, I'm gonna fill it up all the way. Because that's important. Oh, I can't wait for that disease task. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm probably just gonna get one of these. Yeah, right. So if like you get power from, oh no, you get power from those mini little supplying things. God, that's annoying. So, how do I do this? I'm gonna start building a really long pylon line. Oh, does it work though? Yeah, they work now. Right, good. Right. I'm gonna put that there. Okay, stop trying to make everything perfect, Alfie. Right, let's move these guys into their new thing.
Asset.
Why did you just click me? Why won't... Right there.
Picking up asset.
You know what? I'm just gonna do them individually.
Acknowledging asset collection request.
It's not like it's harming them. Oh, they're all hungry. Yeah, so now they're going. And the ankylosauruses, were...
Asset being transported.
So now all the sticky mollusks are running wild, and the ankylosauruses. Great! Ankylosauruses, why'd you do this to me? You see, this Allosaurus is nice. These, I think you're inside the enclosure, you better be. These three ankylosauruses are nice. These two sticky mollusks are nice. The brachios are just chilling, don't care about them. But, you're naughty, you're mean, except from you're not doing any harm, so like, don't care. But yeah. What do you want now, you needy little thing? I think I know what they eat from. I swear they eat from the same things as the Parasaurolophus. Maybe because the Parasaurolophus is my favourite dinosaur and the Brachiosaurus is my third, but... Oh yeah, and they also want more trees. So yeah, let me put this down. Very slowly, because this game glitches. Right, yeah. And then they also like lots of trees. And then they also like open space, which doesn't make sense, but that's the wrong thing.
Confirming asset delivery.
You know what? Who cares about their comfort? Like, you know, as long as they're in the enclosure and eating and drinking,
Asset has been transported.
still them. Oh no, look, they're happy now. Maybe because I know my Brachiosauruses very well. Why is it saying, why aren't you two in, just, yeah, they're all in the enclosure. Oh, don't you tell me now that I'm gonna have
there
to,
are plenty of people who do.
like,
Construct a viewing
put
gallery to
all of
monitor the
them in the
Brachiosauruses.
enclosure, because, like,
And, Brownie points to me
I've
for saying that right.
done enough. Really, it's gonna tell me after, or it's gonna be a disease. Oh, it's just, well, their comfort is good, but I don't know, and I saw a stairway from Main Street, but I don't know why it says ensure Brachiosauruses have 75% comfort for like nearly a minute when I've literally given them all the stuff they damn need. Probably want more forest knowing them. Because I don't know why, but it doesn't let me. I know you guys can see it, but it doesn't let me see it. It's missing forest, okay. You stupid little thing.
These
You don't
animals are
even care
big,
what I
but
call them.
that's no reason they shouldn't be
This is all
comfortable.
their fault.
Fact is, if my waist size is anything to go by, they may need it more.
Don't know why they're so
So
mean.
let's keep them comfortable, okay?
Isn't that enough forest for you, huh? You know, you might as well just give a Brachiosaurus a full jungle to live in, like, you know, plop them in the Amazon rainforest. Oh, now they're missing tall nut. Well, you had plenty of it till you asked for some trees. See, look, this thing has torn up. Like I said, I know what they eat. You know what, I think this area you can get a bit in. Hopefully. Otherwise they're going to start breaking the fence down because they don't have enough forest again. Okay, right, is that enough? Yes, it's enough. Right, screw you lot. Okay, right, that's enough. So, yeah. Oh, where did that baryonyx come from? Where'd you come
The
from?
baryonyx. Even though I love all the dinosaurs, I'd rather keep as far away from this one as possible.
That didn't
Still,
think
we have
that
to
thing
capture
just
one.
popped out of there.
So I'm putting this on you. Sorry.
What the? What the? You know what? You can have the T-Rex enclosure. One, because I don't have the time to deal with you. And two, I know what Brachiosaurus. It's not a Brachiosaurus. I know what stupid baryonyxes need. So like, you know what? First you can like be tranquilized and you'll just sit there till you die. Just kidding. But right, guys, so now let's trank him. Why aren't you? But I just clicked. Why aren't you being tranquilized? Screw you, baryonyx. Just shoot him. Leave my ankylosauruses alone. Leave my Anki alone. If that was if that was Bumpy and Bumpy died, he wouldn't be on this game anymore. I wouldn't care if I failed the mission. He just killed Bumpy, and I wouldn't care. Great, now it's raining. Said that like 20 minutes after it started raining, but I don't care. You know, as long as it's tranquilized, it can just sit there. You know, it's done nothing. The only thing it's done to me is go near my ankylosaurus, which is just, you know, sitting there waving its tail around. So don't come close to me. Otherwise we'll have some problems. Just let me make them fix the damn fence. Sometimes I think this game doesn't like me because it won't let me press stuff, but that's just me being dumb. You know, I don't even know why it tells me that fence is broken. You see any brokenness? I mean, no, this one. That one's broken. That should be. This one, you're fine. Look, even if I'm on the other side, it'll be fine. If that monorail would move that way, it might be a lot easier. See, look. I can't really zoom in anymore. But, no, broken. That edge is broken, but nothing else is. Oh, wait, that's okay, we're back. No, we're not. Slapping again. Good. Okay. Right. Then let's get it. Gosh, we've only been recording for an hour already. Hold up, that's a bit mean. No, I think that's a bit mean, don't you think? The Allosaurus just moved into the Ankylosaurus enclosure. No! Allosaurus. No, he's gonna die. Run. Run. Run, my friend. What I'm gonna do. Once he's running, I'm gonna put some food in there to and you know what I'm also gonna do? I'm also gonna screw that barrier Now it's dead. But let's not run, my friend, run. Oh, now it's dead, but... Imagine if it just, like, pop back to life, like, because it's a mission, like, but it was just one sexual scene here. Sexual scene. Okay, that's the game. Alright, imagine if I have to restart instead. I would be really upset if I did. I'm making a ripping chapter sticky. Possibly. It's okay. These two are happy to be together. These two are down. And I would make a tranquilize. You don't help. It's the bracket. But it's like I'm kind of sure. Why? If I'm kind of sure. Oh, this guy's a little sorry. Sorry about that. I forgot about him. It's probably anti, isn't it?
Asset collection request received.
The dinosaurs was fighting it. The fucking dinosaurs. Yes! Guys, appreciation there. Can we get that's revenge for killing Stiggy? We need, guys, it is champion. This king won't have a time. Just to look like pumpkin. And pumpkin every time. That's the champion. This guy's a murderer. No, this guy's gonna stop and eat mine and kind of for a friend. That's why he was said to. I'll think for that guy even. I honestly don't care what the other sources guy. Like, they can just give me more. And then I'm just gonna kill them too. How the game works. You mess with
Assets in the air.
Dinosaurs, you mess with me. So I want to make sure. I completely screwed that Arionyx and just forgot about him. But I'm gonna help him. I'm gonna help Arionyx. Because I made my mistake. It's the dinosaur. I just need to get around to
Delivery complete.
spam water if I can put a fish feeder in it. I might not be able to then again. Can I get a fish feeder? Yes, I can get a fish feeder. Now there are two loadouts if it's Ankylosaurus. And I'm going. Let's check out the challenge. Where, like, if an Ankylosaurus dies from Parasaurus dies before you start, that would be painful. On my normal Earth, I should do that. And if you want to see me in pain. So yeah, pretty good so far. So Kobe, Maury is an Ankylosaurus, what's it want? Whatever it's called. To help him. Stuff like that. If they can heal him. Actually, no, wait.
The scientists are saying they want to get a medical scan on the baryonyx. I know it can be a handful, but be careful it doesn't become a handoff, huh?
This is normally a very dangerous animal, but it may not be here much longer. Research is the answer.